Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, registrar access, an active Google Workspace trial or account, and the domain name you will verify. Once logged into the admin console, choose Domain's Add Domain or Alias and enter the exact domain. Make sure to copy the verification token Google provides. You will add this to DNS. This first step is crucial because the token proves ownership, and without it, you cannot proceed to MX or SBF configuration later. Once you've placed the TXT verification record at your registrar, wait for DNS propagation. You can speed this by lowering TTL if available. After verification, proceed to add Google MX records exactly as specified, priority and host matter. Also publish an SBF TXT to authorize Google servers and enable DKIM signing in the admin console to reduce spoofing. Make sure to test sending and receiving to confirm email flow. DNS propagation may take minutes to hours. To finish, verify the domain shows as active in the admin console and assign users their new addresses. Once done, confirm SBF, DKIM, and DMARC are passing by sending test messages and checking headers. This prevents deliverability issues. If something goes wrong, first recheck MX priorities and ensure no legacy MX or forwarding rules conflict. A common fix is removing old MX entries or correcting a stray period in the host field. Once corrected, propagation should restore normal mail delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.